When people think about saving an extra $500 a month, they usually assume it requires a radical lifestyle overhaul. They think about picking up a stressful second job, skipping holidays entirely, or living on a diet of instant ramen. But wealth building rarely fails because of the macro decisions. It fails because of micro-bleeding. Think of your personal finances like a pipe carrying water. A massive, gaping hole is easy to spot and patch. But 10 tiny, microscopic pinholes? They will empty your reservoir just as fast, completely unnoticed. Today, we are opening up the ledger. I'm walking you through the exact 10 everyday things, habits, and convenience traps I completely stopped buying. A practical blueprint that instantly put $500 back into my pocket every single month. Best of all, none of these cuts lowered my actual quality of life. Let's dive in. 1. Third-party food delivery apps. Let's start with the heaviest hitter on the list. I didn't stop eating restaurant food. I stopped paying a 40% premium to have it brought to my door. Between service fees, delivery charges, dynamic pricing, and tips, a $15 meal routinely transforms into a $30 liability. By deleting the apps and committing to picking up my own takeout, I instantly reclaimed close to $150 a month. 2. Premium convenience groceries. Next, I stopped paying grocery stores a premium to do basic prep work for me. Pre-chopped vegetables, pre-marinated meats, and single-serve snack packs carry a massive markup, sometimes up to 300% per pound, compared to their whole counterparts. Buying raw ingredients and spending exactly 10 minutes prepping them myself cut my weekly grocery bill by $25. 3. The Ghost Gym membership. I realized I was paying a monthly fee for an identity, not a utility. If you use your premium gym membership 4 times a week, it's a phenomenal investment. If you go twice a month, you are subsidizing everyone else's workout. I canceled the contract and shifted to a combination of running and a minimalist home setup. Net savings, $50 a month. 4. Overlapping streaming platforms. Consumerism has shifted from selling physical items to locking you into endless digital microtransactions. I looked at my statements and realized I was paying for 4 different video streaming platforms simultaneously. You can only watch one screen at a time. I adopted a strict one-at-a-time rule. I keep one platform active, watch the series I want, cancel it, and rotate to the next one. This eliminated $30 of monthly waste. 5. In-app digital microtransactions. Whether it's cloud storage tiers I didn't actually need, ad-free upgrades on apps I barely open, or premium filters, these minor $3 to $5 charges are designed to bypass your financial radar. I audited my phone's subscription settings and purged the digital clutter. Savings, $20 a month. 6. The premium coffee habit loop. We have all heard the cliché advice to stop buying lattes. But let's look at the actual math, not the cliché. A daily $6 specialty coffee equals roughly $180 a month. I didn't give up caffeine. I upgraded my home setup. By investing in a high-quality coffee maker and a premium bag of beans, my cost per cup dropped to less than 50 cents. The ritual remained identical, but the wallet saved $150 monthly. 7. Fast fashion wardrobe upgrades. I stopped buying clothes based on trends or seasonal sales. Fast fashion is engineered to fall apart and force a replacement cycle. I transitioned to a minimalist, high-quality capsule wardrobe. By buying classic, durable pieces that last for years instead of weeks, my monthly shopping impulse evaporated entirely, saving an average of $70 a month. 8. Brand name household basics. For household essentials, cleaning supplies, over-the-counter medicine, salt, sugar, and basic pantry staples, the active ingredients in the generic store brand are chemically identical to the heavily marketed name brand. Switching to store brands across the board reduced my household overhead by $30 a month without a single drop in utility. 9. The just-in-case upgrades. I stopped upgrading tech tools, smartphones, and gadgets the moment a new model was announced. If a piece of technology serves its purpose and functions efficiently, upgrading for a minor camera adjustment or a slightly faster processor is a massive waste of capital. Extending the lifespan of my tech by just 12 to 18 months keeps hundreds of dollars in my investment accounts. 10. Extended warranties and protection plans. Finally, I stopped saying yes to protection plans at checkout. Statistically, retail extended warranties are pure profit centers for corporations because consumers rarely use them. If an item is critical, rely on the manufacturer's built-in warranty or fund your own emergency account. Opting out of consumer insurance saved me an average of $20 a month. Let's look at the final ledger. By making these 10 minor adjustments, the total monthly savings comes out to exactly $500. But here is where the true magic of financial strategy happens. If you take that $500 and leave it sitting in a standard checking account, it will eventually find a way to be spent. Saving money is only half the battle. The second half is allocation. The exact day I executed these cuts, I set up an automated transfer. That $500 now bypasses my main account and flows directly into a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. If you invest $500 a month at an average historical return of 8%, compounding interest turns that money into over $90,000 in 10 years. In 20 years, it scales to nearly $300,000. You aren't just cutting out convenience traps, you are literally buying your future freedom. Reclaiming your capital doesn't mean shrinking your life, it means expanding your options. If you're ready to stop the financial leaks and build a scalable path to wealth, make sure to hit that subscribe button for your weekly upgrade. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.